Hello guys, welcome back to the weekly forecast. Right now we are looking at US 100 and we're just gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. This is the areas where we expect the market to play around within the upcoming week. So we're gonna go to the 4-hourly and on the candlesticks. And on the 4-hour and the candlestick, you can see that we were still in that bullish movement, but the market was coming back, giving us a correction. Right, the market did give us a correction, and because of that correction, now we could be looking for the market now going up. You can see that the market did break above and closed above that correction or that downward trend line. Right, you can see now we might be at market open waiting for that retest, and then upon that retest we could take our buy entry, looking to take up, looking at this area right here. It's our first take profit target, and then this one right here is our second, and then looking at our overall market direction, because you can see that we were in a bullish movement. We're in that bullish movement, and we now create that correction, and the market did reach that area there, and then it did turn around. So now we could be looking for buy areas. Yeah, that's gonna be it for Nasdaq for the. Taking a look at gold, and again we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Just a reminder that we are currently on the daily time frame on the line chart. Now we're going to go to the candlestick chart on the 4-hourly time frame, and then in the candlesticks on the 4-hourly time frame, yeah, that's gonna plot our. We can see that also we're still in that high, but we can see that we did come back down. Now we are be looking for buy setups, right? We're looking for buy setups at the start of, because you can see that we are in that creating a first touch, second touch, and third touch. Right, we're still in that downward trend, and now we broke above it, came back for a retest, and we shot up. So now where the market is at the moment, when it comes here, we might be looking for a retest before it coming reversing down towards this area. Right, might be looking for that retest before it reverses down to this area. But if it does close above and give us that retest, we'll also take an entry looking at this area as our first target, and then looking at our overall buy direction. But yeah, that's gonna be it for gold. Taking a look at the economic calendar, we can now see that on Monday we don't have anything going on Monday, right? And then on Tuesday, the Fed Chair Powell testimony, of course, that's gonna have an impact on our trading on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday again, the Fed speech. And then on Thursday we have the initial jobless claims, and then on Friday we do have the non-farmers payroll, the unemployment change. So this is NFP week, guys. Always be careful with your risk, and yeah, peace. Taking a look at Germany, and now we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Weekly high and weekly low. We're gonna go to the candlesticks on the 4-hourly time frame. On the candlesticks on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that German 42 or German 30 was still in consolidation, right? You can see that we're in that consolidation phase, and we can see that we are closing above. You can see that also, but we did close above with a doji. So should we get a bearish candle, we can see a money, so we can look at that as a reversal and then take our sell entry. But should it give us another retest and point of entry, we'll take that buy, looking at our weekly high as our overall weekly target, right? But yeah, that's gonna be it for Germany. Taking a look at US 30, and again we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low, right? Weekly high and weekly low. We're gonna go to the candlesticks onto the 4-hourly time frame. And then on the candlesticks on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that the market was did create that bearish movement last week, right? It did create that bearish movement, and now you can see that we did break out of that bearish movement, broke above, came back for that retest, and now we are looking to go up. But you can see that with that upward momentum, you can see this area right here is a resistance area where the market can come and retest and go down or close above and go up. Should it close above and go up, we'll be looking at this new area right here as our take profit target. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for the weekly forecast. Hope you like, share, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.